Hello, and welcome to the Introduction to Asset Reliability Program in AssetWise Ivera Performance Management APM 7.0. By the end of this unit, you will understand the principles of an Asset Reliability Program, or ARP, in APM, how ARPs benefit work identification, and the basic elements of an ARP. The elements of an Asset Reliability Program consist of the following: standard tasks and standard jobs, tasks and job templates, the triggering of work, PM generation profiles, and implementation best practices. Each of these elements are further explained in their own training modules. In this segment of the APM process, the focus is on implementation and ongoing execution of reliability program recommendation. This enables you to implement the analysis recommendations and to sustain them. This includes the development of condition-based indicators, check sheets, PM routines, design and program modifications management. More detailed aspects of configuration, implementation, and day-to-day execution are also covered here. Bentley APM is a data consolidation platform for your condition-based maintenance. APM adds value by analyzing the data and not just storing it. Evaluation leads to alarms, calculated in rule-based indicators, trending, etc. So what is an asset reliability program? Well, it is a set of pre-planned standard tasks and standard jobs defined to mitigate failure modes. It ensures that the right work is being done at the right time, and integrates APM standard tasks and jobs with EAM/CMMS applications. It allows you to rapidly implement a sustainable program. It also allows you to collect, consolidate, and analyze equipment condition data. Overview of an asset reliability program. A company will have a physical asset hierarchy that represents the physical equipment they use to produce their goods. For example, a gearbox. On this gearbox, there are two standard jobs defined to maintain the asset. One is an inspection route, the other is a preventative maintenance routine. On the inspection route, check sheets will be created from indicators assigned to the route. The indicators include oil color, oil level, oil leaks, and other indicators. From the preventive maintenance standard job, work orders will be produced on a predefined interval. The oil color on the indicator will have states defined: black oil, brown oil, or golden oil used in a visual inspection. These states correspond with potential alarms. For example, golden is normal, brown indicates a warning, and black indicates an alarm state, meaning that the oil has failed. Upon acknowledgement of the indicator, a corrective job can be created. For example, repair gearbox. And a corrective work order is assigned to the gearbox asset. Elements of an asset reliability program. There are three major elements that make up a reliability program for an asset. These include the condition-based and failure-finding indicators associated with measuring the health of an asset, the standard tasks used to collect indicators, perform scheduled discard or restoration work, and corrective tasks to fix an alarm condition, and standard jobs used to trigger the standard tasks at the defined frequency. Indicators. Condition-based and failure-finding indicators are created from the RCM2 or MTA analysis. Indicator search criteria are mapped to each indicator based on the action plan of the RCM2 or MTA. The indicator search criteria are used as an input for developing and grouping inspection tasks and jobs. With the introduction of dynamic routes in Bentley APM, new indicators are automatically included on the approved standard task when the indicator is created, and indicator changes result in the indicator being moved to the corrective task with no manual intervention. Standard tasks. Inspection tasks will be created to collect condition-based or failure-finding indicators with similar search criteria, i.e. by trade, frequency, operating condition, etc. Corrective tasks have been created to identify the work required to restore an asset's alarm condition to a normal state. These tasks are candidates when acknowledging an alarm. Scheduled restoration/discard tasks have been created to perform repair, replacement, cleaning, etc. type work on assets at a specified frequency. When creating a standard task, you can specify matching criteria to use for your indicator and standard task, which results in the indicator being added to the task automatically. Standard tasks are used to package a group of logical indicators to be collected at the same time. Standard jobs are a logical grouping of standard tasks. Standard jobs can be used to trigger work orders. Standard tasks and standard jobs cannot have labor or commitments added to them. Standard jobs. Standard jobs are used to trigger work orders tasks at a specified frequency. For example, inspection jobs will be used to trigger inspection tasks. Corrective jobs are available to create corrective work orders when an alarm condition is acknowledged. They can be triggered automatically through condition-based indicators. Scheduled and restoration jobs will be used to trigger scheduled or restoration/discard task types. In summary, we learned the principles of an asset reliability program, how ARPs benefit work identification, and basic elements of an asset reliability program. Thank you for your time.